I just did an hour-and-a-half hike. I feel so good, so sweaty, so ready for a snack. Welcome back to the channel. I'm excited to spend the weekend with you. That's the game plan, the GP. Let's go. Back from Sprouts, and I'm going to show you guys what I picked up. I didn't do like an entire grocery run because I don't normally go to Sprouts, and I was honestly like kind of overwhelmed because I didn't know how to navigate the store. Prices were not as like, I don't know, I was just overwhelmed because I was like, wow, I really have become accustomed to buying my groceries through Amazon on like Whole Foods, or through Whole Foods on Amazon, where it just shows me what I've ordered in the past, and then I just order that, and then if I want a specific recipe, I just add on. Anyway, so I got a bunch of stuff that like I normally wouldn't get because I was at a place I'm not normally. I got some frozen sea bass. This just sounded really good. It's sweet and savory. Garlic teriyaki. Raspberries. I've been craving cantaloupe, so I really... Ew, what is on my finger? Oh. Also, who craves cantaloupe? Like, that's like the reject fruit whenever you get a fruit salad, is it not? No, that's honeydew. Sorry, honeydew. Because of how infrequently I get cantaloupe, I don't even know how to check which one's the ripe one. So I just got it in a container. Canned tuna, so exciting. Same with eggs. I saw they have their own version of this sriracha tofu, which you guys know I love from Trader Joe's. And then I also got their high protein tofu. Oh, and tempeh. I like tempeh. I got chipotle peppers because I really want to make like a chipotle aioli. And I got some mayonnaise that's made with avocado oil, so it's a little bit better. What I want to make, I'm gonna make it today and kind of like prep it to have for the next few days. I want to make chicken curry salad. I think that sounds amazing, and I found shredded chicken. Normally I would probably try to make my own and like shred it myself, but I truly couldn't be bothered, and they just had this fresh white meat shredded chicken, so picked up some curry powder, got some celery, raisins, and then apparently the recipe that I found required apple cider vinegar, so I got that. We're gonna see how that goes. I don't think I'm gonna have it tonight, but I love to have chicken curry salad with raisin bread, cinnamon raisin bread, and I found this Ezekiel one. It had a lot of whole grains in it and pretty good protein, so I don't know. I'll probably have this tomorrow, like with the bread, but I got a different thing for later. I, of course, picked up some Celsius, and I actually realized the other day, I love Celsius, but I've also been having some of the Alani Nu version, and that has so much sodium in it. It's like 200 milligrams of sodium for one of those, versus this has 0. So I think it kind of confirms that I should really just have Celsius, because that's a lot of sodium in an energy drink. Oh, I got this kimchi brand. I love kimchi, and I like trying different ones. Suddenly, this is a taste test. That looks so good. We go through a lot of sauerkraut and kimchi in this house. That's one of the better ones I've had in terms of like what you can get for prepackaged. I got some plant protein mix because I really like making protein pancakes, but I'm trying not to have whey because I think that messes with my digestive system. So this is a Birch Benders, but it's plant protein. I can't speak today. It's plant protein. And then I also got this the Birch Benders syrup. Lastly, I really want to try this. This is Ithaca hummus. It's buffalo ranch flavor. That sounded good. That does not smell good though. That's what it looks like. I hate that. Damn, these are not cheap hummus. That's what I got. Oh, that was not good. Oh man, that was not good. By no means the best curry I've ever had, but it's not bad for my first time. I think it needs something like to cut through it, but I don't know. Good morning, time to work out. Like Pilates.
Or like so. With those toes is flying.
Oops. Okay, I'm getting ready to go to the Melrose Trading Post with some of my girlfriends, and I'm really excited about it because honestly, I've been like so lonely recently, so I just need some time with my friends. Like, I don't know what's going on. It just kind of feels like I'm like never talking to anyone. I'm like always alone. It's nice to go and hang out with my friends. I always feel better after that. Like, I'm an extreme extrovert, which is why when I'm not talking to anyone, I'm like, what am I existing for? What is my purpose? Anywho, I love a good flea market, and I haven't been to this one in a really long time, so I'm very excited about it. It's gonna be hot. But I liked what my hair was doing today, which is kind of why I was like, ooh, I'm kind of feeling this like energy, you know? It's my look. I want to do, yeah, because then I can bring you guys with me. You fit in here. Okay. I like the clashing patterns. See you there.
Emma scared me.
Ah! Without fail, I scream. Hi, I'm home. I want to show you what I got at the Trading Post. Whoop! I got these sunnies. I have a pair of them, but they're broken. So I've been wanting to replace them, and this is what I got. What do you think?
They look the same.
I know. It's kind of perfect. Can I do? Wait, how do you do this? I got this really cute brown leather belt. My friend Rachel found it. It's perfect because it's the same brown as my cowboy boots, so it's like very complimentary. It's kind of a fun moment. Then, Nick, look at this.
Wow! I can't wait to see you in that.
Rach also found this for me. It's 100% silk. I love the floral print. Oh my god, I can't say that word. Floral print. I love the floral print. It's really soft and lightweight, and I think it's a perfect piece to transition from summer to fall. It's just so gorgeous. It's beautiful. And it looks really good with the cowboy boots. We are headed to get some food now, so we'll go eat. It's that time of the night where I need to take off all of my makeup. Well, I didn't really put that much on to begin with, but you know what I mean. All in all, I had a pretty good weekend, honestly. It was kind of one that I needed. Like, yesterday was a full day to just reset. I was all alone. And then today it was more social, and Nick and I went out for dinner, and that was lovely. And spending time with my girlfriends always makes me really happy. I don't know about you guys, but like, I've been feeling so lonely recently. Like, my phone is dry as hell. I think it's like because everyone's out and about and doing things, which is great, but then I also still have anxiety about everything that's going on. I'm trying not to, but I'm just still like limiting the amount of people that I see and the frequency at which I go out, just in terms of like what my level of comfortability is. I don't know, I feel like it really is because all of my friends are just out and like doing things, which is great, but I'm like a very extroverted person, so when my phone is dry, I'm trying to like find happiness within myself and just like being alone, which obviously I did a ton of work in quarantine to get to the place that I am now and like be happy alone, but it's still, I always get the itch. Like, I really love being around people. I get my energy from other people. Anyway, that was a long tangent. But that's just kind of how I've been feeling recently. I've just been like lonely. If anyone else has been feeling similarly, you're not alone. I mean, we feel alone, but you're not alone. Anyway, I'm gonna take off my makeup. So the first thing I'm gonna do is use this. Oh, bitch, I definitely got sunburned today. Okay, anyway, I'm going in with this Green Clean. It's like an oil. I don't know if like the feeling of loneliness is just like misdirected because I'm kind of like on a solo mission right now in terms of my acting career, and so I'm like in some subconscious way wanting to like lean on other people to feel more whole because I get a lot of fulfillment from work, which isn't coming in right now. It's kind of like on my own responsibility to make work happen, which I'm working on a ton of different projects. I don't know, this is late hours, this is lonely people hours, so I'm just kind of like sharing my subconscious with you, but I feel like maybe I'm like feeling lonely, but it's really just misdirected because I don't have a work, I don't have a structure in that sense anymore, and it's just on me, and it's probably where I'm getting these feelings of like anxiety and like loneliness. I don't know. Take this 3-minute interaction and then make it 24/7, 365, and boom, you just got the inside scoop into my brain. And the frequency at which I am like in tune with my subconscious, and it's great for acting in terms of character development and story, but holy shit, is it exhausting to be in my mind. I'll be right back again. Psychoanalysis just like doesn't end, and it's nice when I can turn it off every once in a while. That's when a good edible comes in handy, just saying. Ending with moisturizer. I'm truly not afraid to share this stuff online because I don't hear anyone talk about it, which kind of perpetuates this feeling of like being lonely. So if it helps one person feel less alone, I'm willing to share. There's stuff that I keep private, and then there's stuff that I think I would have liked to have heard. So when I can, I try to speak up. Don't forget your neck, okay? We want to be hot grandmas. That's the goal. Pretty much it from me, you guys. I really appreciate you spending the weekend with me. And if this is the kind of stuff that you enjoy, please feel free to subscribe if you haven't already. Just a reminder to drink some water and do your skincare routine because first of all, we want to be hot right now. We want to be MILFs. We don't want to be hot when we're parents. And GILFs, hot when we're grandparents. That's my advice tonight. Ugh, what is going on here? Okay, bye.